Hello guys again, my name is Andrew of course, and today we have a new unboxing and testing and reviewing this Powerfix digital multimeter with a large LCD display and 3-point digital indicator. Measures is AC and DC voltage, AC and DC current, resistance, diodes and continuity. Okay, we have some certificates TUV. Included battery 9 volt. It's a little bit fat. I'm concluding that it has a manual inside, and let's see what we are going to find. Here is the manual, if you want to read it to learn how it works, more accuracy. Inside we're going to find this 2 cable and 1 screwdriver. I am assuming this is for the battery. The protection cap, the 9 volt battery, has a plastic stand just like that. Let's open it and install the battery. Tit. Just hear beep. It's very secure. On off. Let's connect those. And connect it on 10 amps. The other go on the COM, push it and it will click. Okay, it's time to test some batteries and the volts of the electric cable. Let's open it. We're going to plug this the VMA and on 20 volts for the batteries. Depends what battery you've got. And here we got this. It's 3.80. .4, and we've got a larger battery. It's 8.14. Let's measure the electricity. To do that, you're going to the high volts and 300. Put this inside. 229. High voltage, please, if you don't know about electricity, how to work, call a professional electrician to help you. Then if you want to check a cable, if it is okay or not, you're going here. And this it will check the cable if it's right or wrong. This, want to check the cable of that. It's good. On the other side. Very good. Well, that is some of the measurement you can do with the digital multimeter. You can count ohms, of course, and amps, and lovely, just like that. Well, thank you for watching this video. I hope it will help you. It will helpful to help you to buy these products. I think for 13 euros it's very nice product. Thumbs up, you can buy it. And in the end of my video, please share it because you never know who may need it. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.